Melanie, Melay, Melquiades, Bool. Sobrang mahal tayo ni Lord. At ako rin, mahal na mahal kita. Dahil ang na-inlove sa'yo nung birthday party minsan, ay sweetheart mo na magpakailanman. Ladies and gentlemen, the first kiss and first embrace of Mr. and Mrs. Christian Perry and Melanie Bool. Congratulations and God bless you. Father, nasaan yung prayer? Ito na yon. Nung sinabi niyong hindi kayo ang boss, sinabi niyo rin dito sa simbahan, pag dumating na yung mga problema niyo, yun ang magandang panahon, lumapit kayo sa inyong boss.
This love is like the ocean that's crashing over me. It's like falling rain on the driest plains as far as eyes can see. And this love is like the trees that are looking down on top of me. And this love is like no other. It's right where I wanna be. Nobody loves you like I do, and I never want them to.
B, this is it. See you at the altar. I love you. Amen.
Like I do,
Wow.
and I can't get enough of you. And I don't ever want to. This love is like the church bells. It's loud.
Hindi po mahirap ang magtagal habang buhay. All you need to do is to assure each other, we will never give up. We will always give each other something better than yesterday.
Ito na ang espesyal na araw na pinakahihintay natin at lalong pinakahintay ko. Gusto kong makita ang mga ngiti mo sa araw na ito. Hihintayin kita sa altar. I love you. B.
It's taking over me. Nobody loves you like I do, and I never want them to. Nobody loves you like I do, and I can't get enough of you. I don't ever want to. This love is like
Sa sandali pong ito, nais ko pong ipaalam sa lahat, nagsimula po ang dalawang ito nung sila'y nagsimba sa Dubai. Christian, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Melanie na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
loves you like I do, and I never want them to.
Minsan, niyaya kita magsimba sa Dubai. Hindi mo alam, first date na natin pala yun. Pagkatapos niyan, halos araw-araw, hinahatid sundo na kita